This story is about a range of crimes: break-ins, burglaries, robberies, and a homicide. They were so brazen that they made the news. There was a strong-arm robbery of a watch shop in Beverly Hills. There was a late-night break-in at a luxury bag resale store in Newport Beach. There were a bunch of break-ins at Bevmo's. But the one thing that all these jobs have in common is this guy, Monte LeRae Harbin. Monte LeRae Harbin is charged with basically masterminding about 4 burglaries, including one that ended with a man being killed. What's striking about this case is how well documented it is. There's surveillance footage of a shootout that left a man dead, videos of the suspects basically showing off all the marijuana they've stolen. There's also footage that the mastermind filmed himself of him piloting a drone that he used to scout out commercial marijuana grows as targets.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
There's even a video of the mastermind of these heists counting stacks of cash. It's several feet high, and he's just pulling out band after band. This case is kind of one of those rare examples of a really well-organized crew of, different people coming together for different jobs, whether it was to break in or to rob somebody. They typically didn't actually know each other. It's kind of like Reservoir Dogs, where everybody has, a different nickname and nobody knows each other's real name. That's how these jobs were set up. This is an example of a hidden hand behind a series of crimes that might not seem connected on their face. There's, one man that's kind of the common denominator between all these different crimes.